Hello everyone, welcome back to Lady P Naija TV. In today's recipe, we are going to be making Nigeria perfect Akara. Okay guys, so this is the peeled beans I will be using. It's peeled already. Also, I have custard. That's my pig milk. This is my groundnut oil. I have onions and scotch bonnet. Okay guys, this is what I will be using for my akara. First, you know that this beans is peeled already. I will just put it in my bowl and add water to it. I will allow it to soak for 10-12 minutes before I blend. So stay tuned and watch how I prepare my akara. So guys, do you see the peeled beans? You don't need to stress yourself peeling the beans again. This beans is very nice. I just put it inside my bowl. Now I will be adding water to it to soak for like 10-12 minutes before I blend. Okay guys, so stay tuned. So first, I will be slicing my onions. I will be slicing one to blend the beans and the other one to fry my akara. So guys, this is my beans. I wash it already. I wash it like 6-7 times. So this is the result. I have my blender ready. Now I'm going to add in my onions. Then I'll put it inside the blender and blend. So I just add in my onions to blend. Stay tuned guys. So guys, here is my beans. I'm going to add water to it. You don't have to add too much water because you are making akara. Only my you need much water. Akara, you don't need too much water to blend it. Okay guys, so stay tuned. So guys, here is my beans. It's well blended already. I just transform it to my bowl. Now I'll be adding salt to taste. So here is my salt. I just add in my salt. Also I'll be adding the onions. Here is the onions. So now I'll be mixing the beans I don't put my, so I will not be adding my scotch bonnet pepper now because of the case. I'm just going to mix only the onions now. I'll be adding it later. So guys, I just finished mixing my beans. I mix it for like 5-6 minutes. Now I'll be putting my fry pan in the heat. Okay, stay tuned guys. I love you all. So guys, I'll be adding my oil. Okay guys, just adding my groundnut oil. I'll still allow it to hot. So guys, now I'm going to put my beans. So guys, sorry about that. It's time for me to cut my akara, which is the blended beans. Okay, so guys, you know earlier I didn't add in my pepper because of the kids. Now I'm going to add it little by little, not all, because of the kids. Okay guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this is the outcome of my akara. Okay guys, at the same time I will be making my custard. That's what we are using, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, my Akara looks so yummy. It's so tasty. Okay, guys, stay tuned. So guys, now I will be making my custard. Here is my custard. Okay, I just adding my water into the custard. You see, it changed color already. That's to know the original custard. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to add in my hot water. It's well mixed already. So guys, so now I will be adding my sugar into the custard. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. So guys, this is my blended sugar. I just add it now. Now I will be adding the pig milk also. So I'm adding my pig milk to mix it. Yummy, yummy. Yes, guys, I can't wait to grab it. So guys, here is my custard. I will be taking out of this into this small bowl. Okay, guys. So guys, this is the outcome. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. You guys are amazing. Okay, guys, I love you all. Please, if you have yet not subscribed, please do. Okay, guys.